That's a video, yeah? Ooh. This is a Monday.
Ormond Beach 2020.
I think we want to see the sun. It's cloudy. Oh, the sun wants to go to my shoes. This one is kind of, well, this one is not too sad.
Yeah. I'm watching her try and walk in the sand. This is amusing.
I'm going to be worse on the drop, big drop. Big drop on the... Where do they live like this anyway?
I guess that's where they restored the beach.
This one is so, that's a good thing. Another one over there on... Aquí is kind of hard. And the one in the Cocoa Beach also good.
I'm showing wherever we walking.
We have to go and do what we see any sombra. Hey, that cloud they take over the entire town.
That's what it looks like.
All the way.
Yeah, as long as we ain't walking around people. That's my piggy.
That's hot dog. That's happened when you eat a lot of crap.
But you ate a foot-long hot dog, half a cheeseburger, half a thing of fries, and your bread.
Yeah.
Not to mention the half of a Subway this morning.
Right. That's the reason we are doing that walking on 15 miles.
Yeah. that means a quarter mile.
Look, lightning. I could use a closer lightning.
Well, if we was pointing at it, I recorded it.
Going to rain, maybe.
That's supposed to have a good chance of rain.
Yes. But point the camera in that way so you see we see more lightning. Good thing it's no more 100.
Uh-huh.
The water is 85. The ocean in Florida is 85. It's very enjoyable. Yeah?
Are you giving your beach report?
Yeah. My what?
Beach report.
Yeah, my beach report. So you want to come visit Florida? Can visit and get those to sell on the ocean. Like
Yep, 85-degree water.
yeah. I like it more when it's wet. I don't like the cold water.
Yeah.
Cold water is really not.
I see lightning over there too.
Lightning on the other side. Well, right now it's time to walk. Well, I'm watching this one. It's a walk.
Uh-huh.
I want to go towards my left.
I'm following you.
People out there. I think you notice there's more people in those big hotels.
Yeah.
The old grass.
Well,
One is wet.
you got many more stories and rooms, so yeah.
Yeah. It's run from the coronavirus.
Uh-huh.
Not so many people gather on that.
Yep.
Well, now we got to wait for the moon.
Whatever you want.
Yeah. It feels very nice already.
I don't know if you're going to get it because those are storm clouds.
Oh, yeah. Well, we
Well.
can...
We can still hang out.
Yeah. The one go jump in the water?
No.
No?
You're already wore out and tired. You can't make it from here to there. There's our hotel room. She said, we're going to walk 17 miles. We've gotten this far. And she out of energy. Well, let's go jump in the ocean. Just so y'all know, she's been laying down for the last hour and a half just to rest from this morning.
But the temperature doesn't come my low.
Uh-huh.
130
But
degrees.
she wants to jump in the water.
Well, right now it's very nice and comfortable.
We can jump in the water if you want.
Do you want Chelsea if you don't want? Let's
You
go
got
check.
lightning coming in. That's not a good idea.
Oh, yeah.
We can jump in the marble
Yeah,
pool.
something else they can touch you. The lightning.
Yep.
You know, because sometimes it's very hard and then
Yes, it'll travel.
when you stick there in the water,
Yep.
it's a little. Those are actually pretty Gonzales birds.
Uh-huh.
Those birds. These are the ones.
He said, my cousin is Speedy Gonzales.
They're little. I wonder if the birds became the baby bird one time.
They probably just fly.
That's not.
Here comes the egret.
Yeah. I like those little birds. That one is the white. Well, maybe.
The chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can stop it.
No, it's a chicken.
Okay, what?
Yeah. Just stay away from the people, baby.
See, they're running along. The grandma, you know,
Mm-hmm.
she's playing with the waves. I know she's actually waiting for the fish.
Yep.
She's gone. Yeah, she is gone. Let me see, I can go with the fish.
That was the end of her energy for the night. She got nothing left.
They're not fast, actually.
They run faster than you, and their legs are 2 inches long. And their legs are 2 inches long, and they outrun
Yeah,
you.
but they weigh very little, and I weigh about 150 pounds.
Yeah, I'm gonna call bullshit on that.
I'm chunky.
Yeah, okay. Crazy, yes.
Yeah, today the ocean is empty. Ay. We should have known this crazy joke.
Well, it probably wasn't empty when it was still light enough.
Huh?
You see the lights down there?
The police?
That's them telling everybody to get out of the water because that storm's coming in.
Where's the little one?
Don't know if they can see the pelicans, but I'm pointing in that way.
They were already too far. I'm going to achieve, okay?
Uh-huh.
See, people, do not get to this hotel.
This is Quality Inn on 295 Atlantic Avenue. Do not get this hotel.
Listen, not that good.
Well-
They got contracts broken. They lie to you straight.
They tell you it's got a full kitchen and refrigerator, stove, everything, and they got a microwave and a mini fridge.
Yeah,
So,
we are not too happy about that.
as it goes here, why tell a church when the lie will do? Because everything's non-refundable. If they say non-refundable, don't use the place.
Yeah, that's what we have to do from now on.
But the only good thing is they got the beach in the backyard.
Yeah, that's a good thing. That was a really good thing. So we can see that we were. The agua so tighter there when we went, and I was in the shower, still I can see the waves.
She was so exhausted, she was delusional.
And no caen en summer because the temperature is medio delusional.
I think it was a chili dog to catch you. She was on a chili dog high.
I showered before the,
Oh, my bad.
the
Was that the subway?
yeah.
Oh, we missed the lightning.
Yeah? The lightning?
Yep, it's got good lightning out there. Uh-huh. Yep. Good color.
Well, see, you're going to buy to that or
No, I won't be able to see it with this one.
maybe I can take it.
I'm trying to focus toward the,
The lightning?
yeah. Where I was.
Lightning and the sounds of the waves.
Yeah. Yeah.
The way there.
Yep.
See, maybe they can more around. Let's say with them and then take it to the you, then you take it from me with this one.
Well,
Look, I over there.
I was trying to get your
Get me what? The
Lightning.
lightning? Bicycle. Got me.
Yeah.
It's pretty well.
huh?
It feels breezy.
Yeah.
I can hold it on.
They only come if you got food. They only come to you if you got food. You're what? Oh. Yeah, she wants to go jump in the ocean, but I gotta help her get up.
My knees like that.
That's called old age. Yeah. Nah, I'm just pointing in direction.
Yes, there, yes. Those two. Oh, there.
No.
Oh, there she goes.
Seagulls. See how fast they're flapping? Yeah.
Very good. I'm making their lunch.
Yep.
People walking on the beach.
Yep.
They really walking the mines, I say. I just say and people walk.
Would you like to tell everybody what you called the poor guy walking up the stairs today?
I don't go to the casi to the cámara. Now he threw around like he was scared.
That's because they had a crazy little crazy woman over there cussing at him.
A ver, casi la cámara, my God. La peli que anda yo no me mucho.
So violent. Hey, babe.
What?
Get you some water.
You went to Lima?
Already did. Oh, and he just landed. Get him, he gotta get out.
Yeah, he like to have. No, that camera will not take it. She's flying. Turn it on me now.
Yeah, she got her shoes wet. Now she can hardly move. Well, she could hardly move before. Now she just, oh my God. Like, walk this way. You gotta walk with a hump on your back. That way you be like Igor, baby. Come on. That's her sexy walk. See her sexy walk? What? It's probably got the good she got the mask on because she'd scare you with them looks she gives me. Oh, she can barely make it up the stairs. Oh.
It's right open.